Can you imagine? The West Indies won a cricket series. They not only won a cricket series, they won a cricket series against a major team. They won a T20 series against India for the first time in 6 years. At the moment, Ravman Powell is looking like a skipper with a golden touch. Seriously though, we're not turning a corner yet, but in this format, on any given day, in any given game, in any given series against any given opponent, West Indies possess the explosive talent, especially with a bat, that can have a blitz and turn any game on its head. The likes of Nicholas Pooran, Shimron Hetmar, Kyle Mars, Brandon King, etc. These players have the ability to explode over 5 or 6 overs against any bowling attack. And that could be the game. Done over a few more games, that could be the series, as was the case against India. The problem is that with the longer versions of the game, they have to do it over 50 overs or over 5 days. Yes. And they're gonna need application and consistency to get it done, which they don't have right now. Yes. West Indies, right here and now. We have to say, long live T20 cricket. Punch your ticket.